B, Alscour B, 1947 model. Tom Biting and Sydney Biting from Savannah, Ohio. John Deere 1010, it's 1963 model. Ralph Richardson from Wilmington. Good job. Another AR John Deere, it's a newer version of that, in 1951. Driven by Chris Jefferson, Mount Florida, Ohio. It's got Master Ashley Hall and Bentley Osborne.
Oh, this thing.
1939 Model BO John Deere, driven by Logan Osborne, owned by Joe Wells from Fayetteville, Ohio. Now we have a Ford coming down the track, 641 model in fact. It's a 1960. This tractor is brought here and shown today in memory